PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair in Paoli, Pennsylvania, providing heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services for residential and commercial customers. Our commercial HVAC company installs and repairs all major brands of furnaces and air conditioners. Call our commercial HVAC company today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the difference between commercial and residential HVAC? A residential HVAC works on the heating and cooling systems of your everyday home, whereas a commercial HVAC works on the heating and cooling systems of businesses and other public buildings. How does HVAC work in a commercial building? Commercial HVAC systems provide heating, ventilation, and cooling to individual floors or other areas within a building. In commercial HVAC systems, heat pumps are usually used to extract heat from the air or water. What is your service area for the Paoli, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial HVAC service has served Paoli, Berwyn, Devon, Tredyffrin, Vanguard, Williams Corner, Phoenixville, Montclair, Chesterbrook, Shan Tract, Valley Forge Woods, Malvern, Wayne, Willistown, Upper Mainland, Pennsylvania. Where is your Paoli, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC office located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307, Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/plank-road-paoli-hvac-service.